So good morning to everyone. So next we start with the next topic, chapter 2, that is transformation of axis, right? So that is, we can call it as a change of axis. In general, the change of axis can be changed. That means what? Transform. The three methods is there. So there is a translation of axis and rotation of axis, and translation and rotation of axis is there, right? Now, so here there is a change. Axis can be transformed or changed as the following methods. So first is a translation of axis and rotation of axis, and third one is the translation and rotation of axis, right? But we will discuss only this translation and rotation of axis. So what is meant by translation of axis? The translation of axis is the origin is shifted to the another point. So that means what? Here to here, right? So the origin 0, 0 to some other point, that is h comma k. So and also there is no changes. Whatever the direction of axis does not changes, right? So how to define that? In the translation of axis, the shifting the origin to another point, right, h comma k, without changing the direction of axis. So that we can call it as a translation of axis. The translation of axis has some equations, right? That is nothing but we should take it as a change of coordinates. Before and after, what are the changes is there? Before, if let us suppose x comma y, one point is there. So after translation of axis, so what are the changes in the coordinate? So that is nothing but we should take it as like this one. So that is the transformed equations, right? So that is x is equals to x dash plus h, and y is equals to y dash plus k, and x is equals to x plus capital X plus h, and y is equals capital Y plus k. So any one of that, not both. Either you should take it as x dash y dash, or take it as a capital X and capital Y. From this one, you should write it as a x dash is equal to x minus h, and y dash is equals to y minus k, and x is equal to x minus h, and y is equals to y minus k. Right now, so same you should take it as here. What are the changes in the coordinates? Right. So that is equals to what? When I take the x dash and y dash at capital Y, capital X, you should take that x and y, capital X and capital Y, you should write it as this one. So that is equal to what? P of x minus h. So that is equal to C here. So that is this one. These two are, right? So P of x minus h, x dash or y dash. So these are the changes in this one. Right now, the second one is what? Rotation of axis is there. So what is the rotation of axis? So in that, the axis should be rotated with same angle with respect to the x-axis and y-axis. There is no changes in the position of origin. But in the previous one is what? The translation of axis, there is changes in the origin without changing the direction. Little bit quite changes is there right now. So how to define that? If axes are rotated to an angle theta without changing the position of the origin, then the transformation is called, right, rotation of axis, right? So now here, what are the changes in the coordinates? So that is nothing but a equations of a rotation of axis. Okay, now, so by using the table, we can write it easily, right? So see here, don't confuse. I write here one more. So x comma y is a bold or original, right? Now, next, there is a after changing the, after rotating the axis, the rotation of axis. So how to write that? So there is a capital X, capital Y, or you should write it as a x dash, y dash, right? These coordinates are, we can call it as a, that is new or transformed coordinates. New or transformed, right? So you should remember this one. right? This is the important one to write the equation of a given curve, right? Now, if let us suppose small x, small y, we should take it as that is old or original coordinates, right? Now, so capital X, capital Y, or x dash, y dash. Why I am writing like this one in the some textbook or some any other reference book? Some authors write it as capital X, capital Y. Some authors write it as x dash, y dash. So that's why without confusion, we should uh, take care of this one, right? Now, so there is a capital X, capital Y. We should take it as a transformed or new coordinate. Both are coordinate, right? Now, so how to write this? So you should write it like this. Here you should write it coordinates. In the rotation of axis, right? Now, see, so by using this one table, you should write down the coordinates. How to write them? Now, if you want to write the x, right? To write the x1, see here, right? So how to write that? X is equal to, there is a should multiply x dash cos theta, x dash and cos theta, right? And y dash minus sin theta. Then after that, you should add that to write the x, right? First with row along with the x, right? You should see the row and multiply with x dash and cos theta and multiply with y dash and minus sin theta. After multiplication, you should add that, you should get the x. Similarly, y also. So what is that? Y is equal to, you should see the corresponding row of y. So now again multiply with x dash and sin theta and multiply with y dash cos theta. You should add that. So that is, you should get that y is equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta, x dash cos theta and y dash sin theta. Now similarly, second one. So what is that? X dash. So to write the x dash, you should follow the columns. So that is x multiply with cos theta, y multiply with sin theta. After multiplication, you should add that one. So x dash is equal to what? So that is equal to this and this one. So you should add that one, x cos theta plus y sin theta. Okay. Now, so next one, y dash also same, x into minus sin theta, y into cos theta. After that, you should add that. So y dash is equal to minus x sin theta and y cos theta is there, right? Now, so like this, you should write down the x, y and x dash, y dash. So before, what are the coordinates? After, what are the coordinates is there? So before means what, right? So before, that means what? Given coordinates, given points. So that is x comma y. And after rotating, right? After doing the transformation, so that we get the x dash and y dash. So the x dash and y dash are in the rotation of axis. Like this, you should take that. So by using these coordinates, so we can do some problem. So that we will see in the next class, right? So thank you to everyone. And with respect to this, the translation and rotation of axis, you will see in the some important questions that from the Telugu Academy. So that is after translation of or transformation of axis is there. So don't forget that. So thank you to everyone. So we will see in the next class. So thank you to everyone once again.